himself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of his homicidal maniac.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's a special one. Like I told you, around the holidays, so many clothing sales. This is a pretty big one, man. Pre-Bay is having 30% off your entire order. You can use the code Mike the Compass. It's gonna be 2 weeks, man. 30% is a lot. I usually tell you guys between 30 and 40% is kind of like the buying point for me. And this is your opportunity to be able to cop Pleasures, you know, BBC, 10 Deep, ASICS. There's a lot of brands on the site, so I highly recommend you go check it out. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little lookbook and kind of show you what I did end up getting. I'm a big fan of Pleasures. I just think some of their stuff is really weird, but it's just cool. Like, I think out of all the pieces that you guys saw in the beginning of the video, this by far is my favorite. This is the Sherpa Pleasures jacket in this, like, almost, I don't even know what kind of blue you call this, but I think this is super hard. I decided to pair it with some khaki cargo pants, and it's just tough, man. Especially now, it's supposed to snow this week, so I'm definitely gonna pull this thing out. It's super warm, and it's just fire, bro. Like, I love the cheetah look on it. These Sherpas are just clutch, especially around this time being in Colorado. And then I'd say my second favorite piece, which is kind of funny, man. I never really done like a closet video like this, so this is a little different. Yeah, man, I can even tell you guys how I decided to pair it up. I've been trying to get better at my dressing and my fits, you know, just have a little bit of drip, not always dressed like a bum. So been trying to do my thing. Y'all been showing a lot of support on Instagram, so I appreciate you guys for that. I'm gonna keep trying to put these fits together and just kind of learn this whole fashion tip, because it ain't easy, man. But once you kind of figure out color blocking and really use the internet, there's a lot you can learn, and I'd love to be able to help you guys and also help myself. So this is the cactus tee, or not tee, but sweatshirt in the bright orange. This is ridiculous. This goes really hard with a lot of the Travises and Air Forces. For this, I wore camo pants. I wasn't really the biggest fan of this outfit. It did look pretty good, but I also paired it with the sale Travis Scott ones. I would have liked to change out the interchangeable swooshes and, you know, just made it a little more lively, but I do like this. I really like Pleasures hoodies. I know the blanks that they use, so I really dig them, and I just love their graphics, like I said. And then what was the next piece that I had in the video? Let's see what we got here. So many clothes, guys. Oh yeah, okay, so we had two different hoodies. I love this one, all black, just Pleasure on the front. And then on the back, you have that graphic that just, hello, can I tell you a secret? You know, obviously I love being murdered out in black. What's pretty funny about this is I ended up wearing my Stone Island pants, which I haven't been able to wear throughout the season. I was wearing them backwards, if you noticed, but it's kind of funny. This was a hard fit, bro, honestly. I love this hoodie. All black is just my go-to as usual. I love black, man. I love wearing black. It's my favorite. And then we have this Bob Dylan tee, right? So on the front, you have the cool graphic with the Pleasures, and on the back you have the writing. And I believe they have the t-shirt available in this for this specific graphic too. But yeah, man, I thought this was really hard. I like this. And then other than that, I ended up having a long sleeve. Where is it? I don't know. Oh, I'm just gonna throw this in here just because, guys. A lot of you keep asking me, yo man, where did you get this? I got this from Privé. This is the big pun tee. This is so hard. The entire collection that they dropped is just ridiculous. And here's your opportunity to cop it for 30% off if they still have it in stock. So yeah, man, I just want to let you guys know about those deals. And let me know what you thought about this, man. Would you guys like to see more kind of videos like this where I go out, style it, show you like a fit that I would put together, and then, you know, maybe come back and we can talk about getting some deals. I think that's the most important thing as far as sneakers and clothing go, is trying to get deals, because you don't need to spend stupid bread to look fresh, man. And I try to keep the videos as affordable as possible and look for deals for you guys. And I get, sometimes there's stuff that's just so hard and you work hard for your money, you just pull the trigger. Like, there's a lot of Stony stuff that I just bought because, shoot, I wanted it. But you can't ever complain about a deal when you see one or get one. But there you guys have it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm telling you, please, just, if anything, man, go check out the sale. See if there's anything you like, because this is like phenomenal. 30% off the entire site, your entire order, 30% off. That's a steal, bro. But it's your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Right.
A sneaker life. Hey, 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 hey. A sneaker life.